Hi everyone, and welcome to ILM Block. Now in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can provide liquidity to the liquidity pool on KoffeeSwap. Now the first thing is, to provide liquidity, you need to hold an equal amount of the token. Let's say you want to provide liquidity for coffee, and I have $10 worth of coffee. Now, if I want to provide liquidity for coffee against KCS, which is KuCoin token, and I'm holding $10 worth of coffee, I must also hold the equivalent value in KuCoin token. You head over to the pool, then you click on Add Liquidity. Now, like I said earlier on, you select the token you would like to add liquidity for. Let's say you would like to add liquidity for coffee. You can add liquidity for any coin, any pair. So let's say I would like to provide liquidity for coffee against KCS, which is KuCoin token. So I click on coffee against KCS, and then I enter the amount of coffee I would like to provide liquidity with, which is, let me say, the maximum. Now, I would also have to provide liquidity against an equal value of KCS. So this means that at this point in time, if I'm to sell 1.24 coffee, I'll be getting 1.02 KCS. So they must have equal value. Then once I select the two of them, which is the liquidity pair I would like to provide liquidity for, I'll just click supply, and then I'll confirm supply. Now the MetaMask notification pops up. I confirm the notification, and the transaction has been completed. So let me just add coffee mug to MetaMask, which is the pair. So I've added it, and then I can close this section. So now once I go back to pool, I can see the liquidity I have provided, which is KCS paired against coffee. I can manage it. I can either add more, or I can completely remove the liquidity I just provided. Now, same thing too, if you come over to add liquidity and you cannot find the liquidity pair, or it does not exist yet, or let's say you've created your own token and you like to create a pair, you just come over to create a pair here. You can pair KCS against any token of your choice. You can just copy the wallet address and paste it here, and automatically add it and provide liquidity for it. Thank you so much for watching, and do have an awesome time. Bye bye.